When it comes to flooring, most expensive isn't necessarily the best, but the least expensive isn't great either. So let's talk about budget for a second. This is a long-term investment. The average homeowner keeps their carpet down for about 7 years. So that's about $20 a month. Not that bad in the scheme of things. Think about the things we spend money on the most, like televisions and mattresses and countertops because we want them to last. But what's the one thing we come in contact with the most in our own homes? The flooring. Seems like a great place to make the same smart choice. Warranties are important when it comes to flooring. From a brand new puppy to raising a family, a great warranty allows you to focus on what's really important. There's no doubt about it, flooring is an investment. But when you do the math, a few careful decisions add up to the perfect floor for your family.